give a fuck, Keisha.
What's up with it, man? It's your boy Glory Customs, and we back at it with another video. If you clicked on this video, man, you know we're doing an ongoing series for the tips that you should know before starting a business. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Tip number 4. You have to be comfortable with promoting your business. So when you out in the store, when you go into the mall, you need to be passing out business cards. You need to be telling people about your business, about what you do, and you need to tell them how much you charge. You know what I'm saying? You got to promote yourself on social media, in public. You know, you can't be thinking people gonna know who you are. You got to put yourself out there. Everybody probably go to the store once a week. Once a week, bro. You be passing out business cards. Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, it don't matter. Pass them business cards out, man. People don't know who you are. Tip number 5. You got to stay consistent, man. Consistency is the key. Because if you're not consistent, who don't want to buy something from you? They don't know what you're doing. They need to see your work. And whatever you're doing, they need to see your work. When you're working on whatever you're working on, you need to be recording the whole process. So you'll have something to post. I know some people, they'll do their work and not record nothing. And they don't have no content to post. And then they'll just post the finished product. Like, people want to see how you doing your stuff. Like, they really want to see how you doing it. Don't think people are trying to take your business ideas, because 9 times out of 10, they not finna go through all that work, you know what I'm saying, just to do some shoes or whatever you got going on. They not finna go through all that work. They want to buy it from you. You know what I'm saying? So record your process. Tip number 6, y'all have to do y'all research. Go on YouTube. You know, look at these videos. They're going to teach you stuff that you didn't know. They're going to teach you stuff that you didn't know. So y'all need to go do that. I still watch YouTube to this day, trying to figure out stuff that I didn't know. Trying to find the hottest equipment. Trying to find the hottest brands. Like, y'all gotta, you know, look at those videos. They be 1 hour, 2 hour long. Just watch it. You'll be all right. I'm going to keep this series going for the top tips. I'm gonna keep this series going for the top tricks. I'm gonna keep this series going for the top tricks and tips. I'm gonna keep this series going for the top tips and tricks for when starting a business, man. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we out, man.